Good morning, everyone. So today is our 19th day of our online math class. So I'm teacher Joseph again. So today our topic is still addition and subtraction within 100,000. Okay, so let's proceed. So last meeting we don't have homework. I didn't give you any homework. Then today we will continue on the word problems. So that is on page 18 of your math workbook. 1-8, page 18. Okay, so solve the word problem. So that is on letter G. Let's go now to number 1. There are 9,254 people living in village A and 6,877 people living in village B. What is the total number of people living in the two villages? Okay, so here the number sentence is given already. So 9,000, then 9,254 plus 6,877. So it's a number sentence. Then there are, so you have to write like this one, 9,254 people live in village A. Then there are 6,877 people living in village B. And there are, that's the total, people living in the two villages. So this one, if you get the answer in this one, that is already the final answer. Okay. Let's solve. So we have, okay, let me write. So 4 plus 7, the answer is 11. So we put 1 here, we put 1 here. Then 7 plus 5, or 1 plus 5, that is 6, plus 7, that is 13. So we put 3 here, we put 1 here. Then 1 plus 2, the answer is 3, plus 8, the answer is 11. Then we put 1 here. Then 1 plus 9, that is 10, plus 6, that is 16. So the answer on number 1 is 16,131. So that is already a total number of people here. The total number of people living in the two villages is 16,131, and that is already the answer. Okay. So that is for number 1. Let's go now to number 2. So Julius has 78,309 old coins in his collection. Then he donates 42,593 of the coins to the museum. How many old coins does Julius have now? Okay, so Julius has this money, that is 78,309 coins. Then he wants to give, he wants to donate to the museum, like the exhibit. He wants to display his coins in the museum, so he gave, or he donates 42,593. So if you give, if you donate, you are subtracting. Okay, so the number sentence will be 78,309 minus 42,593. So this one is the number sentence. Then Julius has this one, 78,309 old coins. Then he donates 42,593 of the coins to the museum. So let's try solving that one. So 9 minus 3, the answer is 6. Then 0 minus 9 cannot. So we have to borrow here. This will become 2. And this will become 10. So 10 minus 9, the answer is 1. Then this is 2. We borrow here. This will become 7. And this will become 12. So 12 minus 5, the answer is 7. Then 7 minus 2, the answer is 5. Correct. Then last one, 7 minus 4, the answer is 3. So the total answer for number 2 is he 35,716 old coins now. So what is the answer? Julius has 35,716 old coins now. Okay, so that's it. Let's go now to number 3. In a factory, there are 10,712 workers. So 7,286 workers work the day shift, and the rest work the night shift. So how many workers work the night shift? Okay, so let me explain. So in a factory, is a place where you produce things. So it consists of the workers and the products. So that's it. That's a factory. Then what is the day shift and the night shift? So a worker has maximized hours to work. So if you are a worker, you should only work 8 to 10 hours a day. So that's why, but the factory produces the products 24 hours. So a one worker cannot work all the time. So they have to do shifting. Shifting means after I work, you work. After you work, I work. So that is shifting. Okay, so separate. So day shift and the night shift. So we have to get the workers who work at the night shift. So these are the 7,286 is the day shift. So how much is the night shift? So we have to subtract from here. So the number sentence is 10,712 minus 7,286. Okay. So there are 10,712 workers in the factory. So this is the total. Then we have to subtract the workers in the day shift. That is 7,286. So the answer will be 2 minus 6 cannot. So this will become 0. And this will become 12. 12 minus 6, the answer is 6. Then 0 minus 8 cannot. So we have to borrow from here. So this will become, okay, so this will become 6 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 8, the answer is 2. Then 6 minus 2, the answer is 4. Then 10 minus 7, the answer is 3. Okay, so the final answer for number 3 is there are 3,426 workers who work the night shift. Okay, so the answer on number 3 is 3,426 workers work the night shift. Okay, so total, we subtract the day shift, then the remaining ones will be the night shift. So this is already the answer, 3,426. Okay, very good. Then let's go now to number 4. Number 4, Vanny has 35,745 chrysanthemums and 53,018 marigolds growing on her farm. What is the difference between the numbers of the two flowers? Okay. So let's read again the problem. Vanny has 35,745 chrysanthemum and 53,018 marigolds growing on her farm. What is the difference between the numbers of the two flowers? Okay, so the question, if we go back to the question, the one that what we are looking for is the difference. So what is the operation if the question is difference? Yes, so that is subtraction. So okay, so chrysanthemums has 35,745 and marigolds is 53,018. So we have to subtract the two. So 53,018 minus 35,745. Okay, so let's see. Vanny has this one, that is the marigolds, and Vanny has this one for chrysanthemums. Okay, so let's subtract. So 8 minus 5, the answer is 3. Then 1 minus 4, so cannot, so we have to borrow from here. This will become 2, this will become 9, and this will become 11. So 11 minus 4, the answer is 7. 9 minus 2, the answer is, 9 minus 7, is 2. Then 2 minus 5 cannot, so we have to borrow from here. This will become 4, and this will become 12. So 12 minus 5, the answer is 7. Then 4 minus 3, the answer is 1. So the answer for number 4 is 17,273. Okay, so that is the answer. So the difference between the numbers of the two flowers is 17,273. Okay, so that is already the answer. Now, let's go to number 5. So number 5, there are 25,494 books in a library. Then 10,735 new books are added to the library. How many books are there in the library now? Okay, look at the problem. So in the library, there are already 25,494 books, and 10,735 new books are added. So what will we do? That is plus. So in order to get the answer for the question, that is, how many books are there in the library now, we have to add the two amounts. Okay. So the number sentence is 25,494 plus 10,735. So that is the number sentence. So there are 25,494 books in a library. Then you add 10,735. Okay, so let's solve together. 4 plus 5, the answer is 9, correct. 9 plus 3, the answer is, okay, that's 12. So we put 2 here, we put 1 here. Then 1 plus 4, that is 5, plus 7, that is 12, correct. Carry 1. Then 1 plus 5, that is 6, plus 0, the answer is still 6. Then last one, 2 plus 1, the answer is 3. Okay, so the answer on number 5 is 36,229 books now. Okay, so this is already the answer for the addition here, addition sentence. There are 36,229 books now. So answer, same. There are 36,229 books in the library now. Okay, so that is the answer for number 5. Okay. So number 6, that will be your homework. So I want you to practice your problem solving skills. So try solving number 6 on page 19 of your math workbook. So just answer on your book. Okay, you try answering this problem. So that will be your homework. So we will check that when we on our next video. Okay, so that is a printing company used 9,584 sheets of paper on Monday, 11,456 and 12,968 sheets of paper are used on Tuesday and Wednesday, respectively. So how many sheets of paper did the company use all together? So together. So how will you solve that one? Okay, so number 6 again is your homework. So that's it. So thank you everyone. I will see you again on our next class. Don't forget your homework. Goodbye everyone and stay safe.